Hey, I'm Greg with Greg's Airbrushing and Greg's Tattoos, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick trick on how to recover a shirt. Save a shirt. Let's say you got some artwork on it that you really don't want, like this here, but you just don't want to lose your shirt. I'm going to show you a quick way to get this transfer sheet off your t-shirt. Just check it out. Alright, so I have my heat press set at over 300 degrees and I have the design here on the t-shirt. First I'm going to try to lay a piece of nylon down so that the transfer sheet doesn't get stuck to my heat press. Okay, I just need it to get hot enough so that the glue that's underneath the transfer sheet releases from the garment. So let's do this. So I have it set at about 20, but we're going to do about 15 seconds and see how that works. All right. So while the shirt is still hot, all we're going to do is we're just going to pull the t-shirt. And as you can see, you get a little bit of wrinkle from the transfer, but not enough. So it lets me know I need to go hotter and for a longer period of time. So we're going to keep our temperature at the same, but I'm going to remove the nylon and I'm just going to turn the shirt over. And go ahead and give it a press. But this time we're going to leave it on for about 25 seconds and see what happens. Alright, so while the transfer is still hot, we're going to go ahead and grab and pull. And as you can see, it's starting to tear and lift automatically from the shirt. And you can just lightly peel the transfer from it. But I even want it to get easier than that. So once you become familiar with your transfer, what I'd like to be able to do is just lightly tap and pull, so I know it's hot enough to work. It didn't stick to my transfer, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, it's lifting from the shirt. Now, of course, you have to do this while the transfer is hot, so be careful, don't burn yourself. So we're gonna go another probably 8 seconds. And boom. See how it's coming right off there. All right, and as you can see, Transfer has been removed. You don't have a lot of residual glue, and you can reuse this shirt. Hopefully that helps. I'm Greg with Greg's Airbrushing and Greg's Tattoos. Talk to you soon.
Hey, like and subscribe to my dad's channel, Greg's Airbrushing.